What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Vechain here, and as we can see, we are finally getting a breakout of the horizontal that we've been looking for a long ass time here, aren't we? You can see here, as we always say, big macro trend to the upside. Obviously been testing the bottom of this numerous times here, as you can see on the way up. We've been underperforming for a long time. We come up and we form this massive horizontal pennant, haven't we? You can see here coiling, and it looks as though we finally coming up here and making that higher high, higher low, and now we have made another higher high here. Finally breaking out of this horizontal. You can see quite clearly all of our TA that we have done. We come all the way up to 28 cents, didn't we, in April? We have that big correction to the downside, moving all the way to the downside here that we saw for Vechain. Basically with that massive descending wedge. You can see it very clearly here. We've outlined the descending wedge moving to the downside, but you get the breakout and then we come down and we get the retest. Basically with the bullish divergences, you're expecting the bounce there, which we did get. We come all the way back up pretty much to the 618 here of that move to the downside. Fibonacci drag from the high to the low here. You can see here we come down, come back up, we get stuck under the 618. We roll over back down to the bottom of the macro channel and basically the bottom of this coiling formation, which we did see as support here. You can see here quite clearly this pennant formation and the macro channel acting as support, in conjunction with that 0.23 Fibonacci retracement, potentially almost there. And then we did get the bounce to the upside back into this range here between the 0.38 and the 0.50. We come up, we retest, we break through, we come up to the next level, the 0.618, back down to retest the 0.50. And as you can see here, instead of getting rejected again at the 0.618 again, we have seen that move to the upside now with Vechain currently trading at around 16 cents, looking as though it is finally getting a bit of a move to the upside. And we could say with confirmation now that we have cleanly broken out of this pennant formation as well, which does have a technical target of around 40 or 50 cents. So we will be keeping a close eye on how Vechain performs and continues to perform, because we will be looking for that. But you can see here, currently stuck under the previous support that you would say in and around this level of 16 cents as resistance, but we have cleanly broken out of this level here at 15.7 cents, you would say, quite comfortably now. Vechain today heading up to around that. Let's take a look at the hourly chart so we can see exactly what's happening here. Heading up to around 16.4 cents. So you can see we've cleanly broken out of this horizontal here, coming up to a little bit of a higher point. Basically just having a bit of a run up here and, you know, trying to move to the upside with a bit more aplomb, aren't we? Because Vechain, it's been underperforming, but we're finally getting some breakouts here. And I mean, just taking a look at this chart quickly, you can see this is a massive coiling motion here, and you're probably expecting some real tasty upside for Vechain, you know, considering how much that this has gone up like a hockey stick here, consolidated, and then if we get another hockey stick for the final part of the bull run, that would be very nice. So you can see here quite clearly Vechain looking very nice indeed. This is a very bullish chart, we would say, making that higher high, higher low, higher high, come back down, retest the 618 as support, higher low, and then continue onwards. That would be super bullish. But overall, Vechain looking really good right now. You can see it's breaking out of all these horizontal resistance here, breaking out of our Fibonacci levels, and also breaking out of the pennant in confluence with, you know, not being too overbought here. Histogram looking fairly low, as fairly flat as well. So basically Vechain's been coiling up waiting for a move, and it does look as though it is finally starting to get a bit of a move to the upside. So a price above 16 cents is amazing to see. And obviously our next technical target would be probably coming up towards this 20 cent level, 19.5 cents there at the 0.78 on the Fibonacci. So we'll do short-term price predictions then. As we say, always keep things short and sweet. If we roll over from here, we would expect the 618 to come back at that previous swing high as support. in and around that 14.8 cents level. Do something like this, retest, and then continue. And as we said, if we move to the upside, we want to be targeting that 0.78 at say 19.5 to 20 cents. And then we do think 50 cents to $1 for Vechain, very realistic price target by the end of the bull run. As we always say, as you can see on the chart here, the Fibonacci extensions very conservatively heading up towards that 50 cent-ish level, in between the 127 and the 141, and then basically that $1 target just past our 161 extension there at 80 cents on this recent move, with a big 227 extension at around $2.40, which, you know, if we're going into potentially February, March time, could be possible, depending on, you know, if we hit the top of our macro channel. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.